Good evening, class. My name is Soham Patel, and for my 2-minute pitch, I'll be talking about an issue came during the shipment of sample motors that were due to the customer. I currently work for Nidec Automotive Motors of America in Auburn Hill, Michigan, as a design and application engineer for an R&D department of brushless DC motors, supporting all major Tier 1 suppliers. So to give you a little bit of information about this motor is like is a permanent magnet synchronous motor that'll be a part of electro hydraulic braking system for new energy vehicles that'll be coming into the market. Basically, this system will replace some of the base and control brake function in the vehicles because uh, they will not have enough vacuum boost to run the traditional booster slash master cylinder force configurations. Um, this motor will be mounted on the firewall in place of traditional brake system. And as I mentioned, this is a brake-by-wire application which completely eliminates the hydraulic connection between the driver and the brake calipers. So the problem we had during the shipment was the terminals were bent. Uh, Terminals are part of a busbar assembly which connects to the motor, which connects to the stators. Um, to give you a little bit of information about the busbar unit is a number of busbar which are arranged angularly and a plurality of wire connector portions extended to their form. The wire connector portions are arranged on one surfaces of the busbar unit. For example, busbar has metal strips that basically acts as a switch between the stator windings and the customer interface. They will input and output currents. They will magnetize the coils and help the motor spin. And also they can also the bus bars can be used to output the data that motor comes up with to the customer system, so the customer can read the speed of the motor or the angular velocity or the torque of the motor. So the quick solution that I came up to fix the terminal position was to design a fixture that's gonna go over the motors and that will guide the terminals to its original position. With the reason I came up with a fixture instead of manually doing it because if we do it manually, it can raise the chances of the terminals to be break off. Instead, where we have a fixture, we can slowly try to bring those terminals back to its original position. Um, so this was a quick solution that I came up with, and I would be very helpful for the feedback. What do you guys think about it? Thank you.